This is the very top of the Seymour Secretary Bookcase. So this pedestal assembly goes on top of the bookcase, so it's pretty high up in the air on the piece. Now I've got all the pieces here that go into this upper decoration with finials, and I wanted to show, before this all gets glued together, how this all fits together. So there's a center block here that goes right here, and these braces tenon into that block there, and also on that side. And then there are these little blocks that hold the finials that go on the end of this brace with a little mortise tenon joint. Here's the one on this end. So that goes up in there like that. And then this center has a lot of things going on here. Got some little scroll pieces and another block here. So these little scroll pieces have little tongues on the bottom and the top here that go into the mating parts. So those things are going to be glued in there like that, and then I'll shape them a little bit more with little files after they're glued. There's a little cap that goes on top that will be glued down, and then the middle finial will go in like that, and then these finials will go into these sockets and blocks. So that gets all assembled, and then I'm going to fasten this down to the lower framework here with a couple of screws in here and in here to hold that down on top of the molding here. So this is the last thing to do in this piece that's taken quite a number of months, a year perhaps, of working through all the parts, and this is the very last part to do.